Yeah, good morning, good afternoon. So, today's lecture we have already completed PGBP provision site till 10 videos are uploaded. So, please ensure that by this weekend you complete all the 10 videos. Okay, so our next topic, which is very important, is tax rates for companies. This is tax rates for companies. Very important for n number of reasons. This is very important. Number one, when you file your return in the month of August, September, October for the company, these rates only will apply. So this rates is applicable for which financial year? Financial year 1920, assessment year 2021. So whatever I am covering today will be applicable if you are writing in July 20 or if you are writing in November 20. These rates only will be applicable not only for your exam, for the persons who will file the return, and the SSC should be a company. Before you start watching the video, you should have those 4 pages written or printed for tax rates for companies. I already sent you the notes for this. That should be in front of you. I'll tell you when to do that. So when I talk about tax rates of a company, 3 sections speaks about this. 115 BA, 115 BA, 115 BAA, and 115 BAB. These are the 3 sections which speaks about tax rates for companies. 115 BA, BAA, and BAB. These 2 are the amendments in your Finance Act. These 2. This is a old section only. Nothing new has come into this section. It's an old section, whereas these 2 are new sections. Please understand, these 2 are new sections which is introduced in Taxation Ordinance, Ordinance 2019. This is mentioned. This is introduced in Taxation Ordinance. That's not applicable. You not remember also. That's okay. So our first objective today is to calculate or determine what is the tax rate for companies, what taxes will apply, what the rates apply for companies. We will first start with this section. We'll first start with 115 BAB. We'll first start with section 115 BAB. You need not write anything. Everything is given in the notes. You have to just see the video and be careful. I'll tell you when to read from the material. So the first section speaks about 115 BAB, and the heading of the section is tax rates for companies. Tax rates for companies. Okay. Rule number 1. Section number क्या है sir? 115 BAB. Rule number 1. It is an optional section. Optional ante it's like your presumptive taxation under Income Tax Act or composition scheme under GST. Whether you want to avail or not depends on you. First satisfy the conditions, then choice is yours whether you want to avail the section or not to avail the section. So first we are talking about section 115 BAB. First rule, this section applies to whom? Which section sir? 115 BAB applies to whom? It applies to a new company. It applies to a new company which has to be incorporated. A new company incorporated on or after 1st October 2019. This section, which section sir? 115 BAB applies to a new company which is incorporated on or after 1st October 2019. It means if a company is incorporated today, that is 11th June 2020, this section will apply. But it's optional whether you want to avail or not to avail. Once again, this section applies to ever sir? A new company incorporated on or after 1/4 it should be a manufacturing company only. Rule number 1, it has to be a manufacturing company. If it's a trading company, consultancy firm, this, that, trader, retailer, wholesaler, or a software company, this section will not apply. You have to be into manufacturing, like Maruti Suzuki. It should be manufacturing of a product. Now the question is, which product? Manufacturing of which product I should be in? Okay, manufacturing of which product? Government clarifies, we are giving 6 products list. We are giving a list of 6 products. You should not be into that products. You should not be into manufacturing of these 6 products. Which are those 6? I'll tell you. Apart from these 6, you can be manufacturing of any article or product or thing. But you should not be into manufacturing of these 6 products. Now what are those 6 products? Number 1, computer software. Computer software. Number 2, mining. Number 3, conversion of marble blocks. Conversion of marble blocks or similar items. Number 4, bottling of gas. You have to remember for exam, you don't have any other option. Bottling of gas. Number 5, printing business, and any business notified by government. They have the power to notify any business and say that those manufacturers ke liye this section will not apply. This section will not apply. That they can do through a notification in future. So let us repeat once again till here, then we will cover. Section number is 115 BAB. Tax rates for companies. It's an optional section. To whom? It should be a new company which has to be into manufacturing, incorporated on or after 1st October 2019. Which product? Any product apart from these 6 products. So if you are into these 6 products, this section will not apply. Is the background of the section clear first? So this is the condition. What is the condition? It should be a new company. It has to be a new company. Next, what is the section number we are talking about, sir? 115 BAB. Now, so point is, okay sir, I am a new manufacturing company. Yes. Okay sir, I am into manufacturing of 2-wheeler vehicle. Will this section apply? Yes. Okay sir, I incorporate the company today. Will this section apply? Yes. Now, what is the tax rate, sir? What is the tax rate, sir? Government clarified the tax rate for those companies is 17.16%. Tax rate for those companies is 17.16. Ever company, sir? New company, incorporated on or after 1st October 2019, should be into manufacturing. Apart from those 6 products, any manufacturing company incorporated on or after 1/4/2019, we are giving you an option to avail this section, and you can pay tax at 17.16. Previously, I hope you know, when you were in articles, it is 30%. So they are reducing to 17.16%. And how did we get 17.16? Government gives a formula also for that. 15% is a base tax rate. 15% is the base tax rate plus 10% surcharge. 10% is surcharge plus 4% cess. Plus 4% cess. This 15% is base rate. This 15% is base rate. 10% surcharge. 4% cess. Now a reporter asked Arun Jaitley, not Arun Jaitley, Sitharaman, Nirmala Sitharaman introduced Sitharaman. We have a doubt. Doubt is, surcharge will come only if the income exceeds 1 crore up to 10 crores or more than 10 crores. So if my income is 10 lakhs, will surcharge come? Sitaraman said yes. Surcharge will be added at 10% even if your income is 1 rupee. Surcharge will come in this section even if your income is 50 paisa also. The surcharge will come. So you need not remember this entire Mahabharata. You should directly remember the effective tax rate. What is the effective tax rate? 17.16%. How did we get it? I am covering that. It means surcharge will definitely come irrespective of your income. Now point is, who will lose if 30% is reduced to 17.16%? Who will lose? Government will lose. So please understand like this. I have a cake, a pastry cake. My brother has one mango bite, and my brother knows very clearly that I love mango bite, and I have a pedda cake, he has a small mango bite. I am asking him the mango bite. He is ready to give me, but he is asking me the entire cake. I am left with no other option because I like mango bite so much that I have to forego the cake. Exactly the same way, government says if you avail the section called 115 BAB, tax rate is 17.16%, and the following sections benefit you have to forego. You have to forego benefit of the following sections, and those sections are 10AA, which I will be covering in MAT concept, SCG concept. This is, at least if you did your not IPCC, you must have this concept. Export turnover concept, 100% of export profits is exempt, allowed as deduction, or 50% is allowed as deduction. You should forego 10AA. You cannot get the benefit of additional depreciation. You will not get the benefit of additional depreciation. It means if I want to pay tax at 71.6%, I cannot claim additional depreciation, which is 20% or 10%. But in case of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, West Bengal, it is 35% or 17.5%. 35 is for more than 180 days, and for less than 180 days, 17.5%. You cannot avail 32AD deduction also. This is 15% in case of those 4 states. You cannot avail 33AB, which we covered, tea, rubber, coffee. Tea, rubber, coffee business, if you remember, 40% of PGBP income or amount deposited, whichever is lower, either in the NABARD account or Tea, Rubber Development Coffee Board. You cannot avail 33 ABA. This was covered in lecture number 10 for petroleum business. So what I understand, I'll repeat once again. Takkuva rate kavala, avunu kavali. These sections you have to forego. Means the benefits what government is giving you under these sections cannot be availed. No decide cheyi. Neeku takkuva rate kavala, ee sections kavala. That's the meaning of it. What other sections I cannot avail? I cannot avail 35 subsection 1 clause 2. That is 150% weighted deduction concept, contribution to scientific research. I cannot avail 35 subsection 1 clause 2A. I cannot avail subsection clause 3. All this was covered in scientific research. I cannot avail 35 2AA. That is contribution to IIT or national laboratories. If you have written scientific research chart, sir, which I told you to write, you will find the headings of all these section numbers also. If you have written the scientific research chart, which was shared by many students in the group, you will find the headings of all these sections also. Then you cannot avail 35 2AB. This is in-house research and development. Then you cannot avail 35 AD. This I did not cover yet, but this is specified business concept. You cannot avail 35 CCC. You cannot avail 35 CCD. And you cannot avail 80 IA to 80 RRB. So government says Do you want to pay tax at 17.16%? Answer is, if the company says yes, these sections will not apply. What do you mean by this section will not apply? Let us take one example and explain. 32(1) clause 2A enti sir? Additional depreciation. So if you are a manufacturer, you buy a new asset, you will only get normal, you will not get additional depreciation. So if you want to pay at lower rate, government is giving you a toffee. The toffee rate is 17.16, but government is taking from you pedda cake. So many sections ichai a tax rate teesko. Is the first condition clear? Is the first conditions clear? Now what I expect you to do is, I'll tell you what I expect you to do. What I expect you to do is, come to 115 BAB in your notes. Either you have written or printed. I guess there are 5 trees to that section. 5 trees. You read the first one. You read the second one. Third one is conditions. Read till third point and stop. I'll give you 5 minutes time, then I'll continue the class. This section has 5 trees. You read the first one. You read the second one. Third one is conditions. You read till the third condition. Then we'll continue. Take your own time. Do it properly. Chalo. Yeah. So again I repeat, you have to read the first one. First one speaks about applicability. Second one speaks about the tax rate. Third one speaks about conditions. There are 5 conditions, I guess. I expect you to read only till the third one. So let us repeat which sections you have to forego. 10AA cess concept, I have to cover that. Additional depreciation, that investment allowance for Telangana, Bihar, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. 33AB tea, rubber, coffee business. ABA, if you have seen my 10th lecture on PGBP, this section is covered. If you have not checked it, please check it out. 35 clause 1, clause 2A, 35 speaks about scientific research, and 80 IA2, 80 RRB. All these sections you have to forego. And the next one is, this section applies to manufacturer, trader, sir. This section applies to manufacturer. It means you have to buy a plant and machinery for the production. Government clarifies 80% of your assets, 80% of your assets should be kotta assets, should be new assets. What does it indirectly mean, sir? Maximum. Enta sir? 20% of the asset can be old or second hand. This is one more important condition. That for a manufacturing business, you should buy a new plant and machinery or assets for the production purpose. Minimum 80% should be new assets. So indirectly means, what does it mean, sir? Maximum 20% can be old or second hand plant and machinery. Second hand plant and machinery. Clear? Clarification achindi okati from Nirmala Sitharaman. Clarification em achindi, if I import import second hand plant and machinery that will be treated as new plant and machinery only for this section purpose. అమ్మమ్మమ్మ ఇదేంటి మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్. If I import second hand plant and machinery from a foreign country, I get the second hand. That second hand will be treated as new plant and machinery only for this section purpose. Oh, it will be treated as new second hand new plant and machinery for this section purpose. Am I clear till this point? Clear this point? Now, so now read the fourth and fifth condition. You can pause the video if you want and read the fourth and the fifth condition. For section, we are again, I am repeating, we are in section 115 BAB. Fourth condition does not speak anything. It's only said it should not be formed through splitting up or reconstruction of the business. It should be a new business, new company. It should be. It should not be a demerger of two companies. It should not be an amalgamation of two companies. It has to be an absolutely new company. That's the fourth condition. ठीक है, चलो. Now let us start this. Procedure to follow. Do not copy anything. Chupchap listen. Procedure to be followed. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let's understand this. Let's understand this. One company was incorporated on 2nd/10/2019, financial year 1920. One more company was incorporated today, 11th June 2020, that is financial year 2021. Both are into manufacturing. Both wants to avail 115 BAB section. Both wants to avail 115 BAB section, and the tax rate is 17.16%. So government says this is company A, assume this is company B. So company A ki government is telling government is telling to company A, company A, nee financial year enti, nee financial year, when did you incorporate? You have to avail the option under section 115 BAB when you file the return for the first time. When you file the return for the first time. So government says, no kotta company ya, avunu kotta company. So when you are filing the return for the first time, you have to opt for this section. Sir, I did not opt for that section in that year. Forever you cannot claim this section. Forever you cannot claim this section. So company A is incorporated on 2nd October 2019. So when he files a return for financial year 1920, they have to avail that section when they file the return by 30th September 2020. They have to avail this section if they want to avail. If they do not avail this section when they file the return for the first time, forever this section will not apply to them. Forever this section will not apply. For company B, when they file the return for 2021 for the first time, by 30th September 2021, they have to avail this section. So in layman terms, do you want to avail this section? Yes. Government says, inform us when you file the return for the first time. If you inform us when you file the return for the second time, third time, fourth time, we will not listen to you and the section also will not apply to you. Ee section kavala, avunu kavali, inform us. Etla inform cheyali? By filing the return. That too, in your first return you have to inform us. If you have informed in your first return, for subsequent years this section will apply to you. If you have not informed when you file the return for the first time, for subsequent years, this section will also not apply to you. Am I clear with this logic? This is first point. Second point is, For them MAT will not come. For them they need not pay MAT, that is minimum alternative tax. Few companies के लिए MAT will apply, either will take tax rate or MAT, that is 18.5% of book profits, whichever is that will cover in MAT. As of now, remember, for them MAT concept will not apply. If MAT concept does not apply, there is no question of brought forward of MAT credit, because this is a new company. No question of brought forward of MAT credit. So let us start once again. Yes sir, I am a new company. I am a manufacturing company. I incorporated on or after 1st October 19. Can I avail this section? Yes, but only procedure you have to follow is inform the government. ఏం ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి? గవర్నమెంట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు అవైల్ ది సెక్షన్. ఎప్పుడు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి? వెన్ యూ ఫైల్ ద రిటర్న్ ఫర్ ది ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ అండర్ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ యాక్ట్ 1961. If you do not inform for subsequent years, the section will not come. If you inform for subsequent years, the section will definitely come. Is this first point clear? Next, government also clarified what is the tax rate, sir, for this section? 17.16%. But there are certain incomes which has special tax rate, that will be continuing. For example, casual income 30%. Now company cannot say that I will pay at 17.16% because casual income is a special income. Long term capital gain, majority should know, long term capital gain is taxable at 20%. Short term capital gain under 111A 15%. Long term capital gain under 112A 10%, that to up to 1 lakh it is exempt. Excess of 1 lakh is taxable at 10%. So this special rate incomes will even continue now. So this 17.16 ever key, the 17.16 is for normal income, not for all incomes. This is the tax rate for normal incomes and not for special rates of incomes. For special rates of income, special rates will even now continue. Am I clear till here? Now read the features. Now please read, I'll give you time right now. Read the features. Please, I'll give you time. Read the features. Sure. Okay, so again we are in the same section called 115 BAB. Now comes the fifth tree under that, that is whatever it is, you can read. Now this point says, sir, నేను మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ కదా సార్. అవును. ఇన్కార్పొరేటెడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1/10/2019. నా ట్యాక్స్ రేట్ ఎంత సార్? 17.16%. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years ఏం చేయండి సార్? ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years ఏం చేసిన సార్? I have changed my objects clause of MOA. I have changed my objects clause of MOA, and in the same name I am doing the construction business, and I have stopped my manufacturing concern. Possible, sir? Avunu possible. I have changed my nature of business by changing the objects clause of memorandum of association from manufacturing to real estate. Now the question is, ఆ సంవత్సరం in which I change my business, constructed business లో ఉంది, అప్పుడు ఈ సెక్షన్ అప్లై కాదు సార్, because you have violated the condition. Condition was it should be a dash company, it should be a manufacturing company apart from those 6 products, but you have violated that. ఆ సంవత్సరం, assuming this is year 4, then in year 4 this section will not apply, and forever this section will not apply for that company. Not only in year 4, forever this section will not apply to that company because they have violated the conditions of 115 BAB. Better you copy this example so that it becomes easy when you read. Check, fine. So this section cannot be availed in year 4 and subsequent years. It means the section cannot be availed forever once you violate the conditions of the section. Okay. So now what I'll do is I'll give you 5 minutes time now. Read the section once again. I'll stop, I'll pause for 5 minutes. Read the section once again for all the 5 trees. Please start. You have to read all the 5 trees. That is, first one is, I don't think that first one is applicability, second one is tax rate, third one are conditions, fourth one are the features, and the fifth one is failure to satisfy the conditions in future. ठीक है. Sure. Now sir, in the beginning of the session I said there are three sections we have for the tax rates: 115 BA, 115 BAA, 115 BAB. Till now we have covered the third one. This is done. This is applicable to dash companies. This is applicable to new companies which are incorporated on or after 1/10/2019. So this section is for the existing companies. Is the first difference clear, sir? Is the first difference clear? The first difference, or new companies which are not manufacturing. This section will apply to existing company like Infosys, Wipro, or a company is incorporated today and is into real estate. It's not into manufacturing. This section they can avail for. Either old companies like Infosys, Tata Group, TCS, Wipro, Reliance Industries, or a new company incorporated today who are not into manufacturing, can be into trading, consultancy, whatever it may be. Is the difference clear? This is an old section only. This I'll be covering, don't worry. So let's start with 115 B A. Okay, fine. Now listen. So section number is 115 BAA. Section number is 115 BAA. ఈ సెక్షన్ ఎవరికి అప్లికబుల్? ఎనీ డొమెస్టిక్ కంపెనీ వెదర్ ఓల్డ్ ఆర్ న్యూ. బట్ ఆ సెక్షన్ ఎవరికి అప్లికబుల్ సార్ మళ్ళీ? దట్ ఈస్ న్యూ కంపెనీ ఇన్కార్పొరేటెడ్ ఆన్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1/10/2019. This is old Infosys, Wipro, new today new company. Then tax rate for them is 25.168%. అక్కడ ఎంత సార్? అక్కడ it was 17.16%. ఇక్కడ ఎంత సార్? 25.168%. First rule. Next, exactly in that section, this section also, ఈ మొత్తం సెక్షన్స్ గవర్నమెంట్కి ఇవ్వాలి. మళ్ళీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫోర్గో దిస్ సెక్షన్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, లైక్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇన్ 115 BAB. హియర్ ఆల్సో దీస్ ఆల్ సెక్షన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫోర్గో and pay tax at 25.168% instead of the old rate was 30%. Am I clear till here? The first one. Second rule is disadvantages if you opt for this section. First disadvantage is any brought forward losses ఉన్నాయి, అది ల్యాప్స్ అయిపోతుంది. బ్రాడ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది సార్? అది ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ కంపెనీ కూడా అప్లికబుల్ కదా సార్ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్. సో ఇఫ్ ఎనీ బ్రాడ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ లాస్ యూ హ్యావ్ అండ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అవైల్ దిస్ సెక్షన్, you can pay tax at 25.168%, but that brought forward loss cannot be set off in the current year. That becomes lapse. Number 2, if there is any brought forward MAT credit also, అది కూడా ల్యాప్స్ అయిపోతుంది. This is a disadvantage of availing this section. So can I say, sir, so if you are Infosys, you do not have any brought forward loss, you do not have any brought forward MAT credit. Previously you were paying 30%, now you can pay 25.168%. Only point is you have to give those sections to the government which you cannot avail. Those same we have to cover. So in layman terms, if any company you have, and those companies do not have these sections only. And if a company like Infosys, they do not have all these sections, so these sections do not apply to them, so they will definitely opt for this section and reduce their tax rate from 30% to 25.16, provided on the assumption that they do not have any brought forward loss, brought forward MAT credit. Or if I'm a chartered accountant, my advice will be loss unda avunu undi set off chesko, next year ee section avail chestam, not in the current year. You set off the loss now, next year choose them, can I avail this section or not. Clear with this point? And same tax rate enta sir, 25.168. Then the special rate incomes will have the same tax rate what we already covered, that is casual income 30%, long term capital gain 20%, short term under 111A 15%, and long term under 112A 10%, that it should be in excess of 10 lakhs. Am I clear? Now one more point. Under 115 BAB, under 115 BAB నేను ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి కదా వాళ్ళకి, ఎప్పుడు? ఫస్ట్ రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్కమ్లో ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలి. ఈ సెక్షన్లో గవర్నమెంట్ సేస్ whenever you want to avail this section, whenever, ఇప్పుడైనా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అయినా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అయినా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అయినా, నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అయినా, whenever you want to avail, inform us. There is no concept of first time inform cheyali, first return of income lo inform cheyali. Reason because this section also applies to existing companies. Infosys is filing return from last for 50 years. So you can't say Infosys should inform in the first filing because they are already filing 50 times. So government says, do you want to avail this section? Yes. Whenever you file the return, whenever you want to avail the section, inform us in that return of income that I want to avail this section. If you inform us, ఆ సంవత్సరం నుంచి forever this section will apply to you. Like 115 BAB only. Under 115 BAB, if you inform on the first return of income, this section will apply for subsequent years. Here also, if you inform while filing the return of income, but there is no condition that first time only I should inform, this section will apply to that year and subsequent years. If you want, I have a differences chart on these sections I can give you. I'll make a note, you can copy that as well, but that's not given in your notebook. So now please read section 115 BAA from the notes. Please read from the notes now. Okay. Fine. Shall we continue? Sure. So, two sections we covered, which are sure. So we covered two sections as of now, which are 115 BAB, which applies to new companies, conditions 110 2019 already have to cover. 17.16% is the tax rate. 115BA not only for existing companies, it can be new companies which are not covered under this section, like it is not a manufacturing company and all that, anything it can be. So for them 25.168%. These two were amendments. This was an old section. We have event right now. Let us read what does 115BA speaks about. Everyone in your notebook, let us understand now what does 115BA speaks about. Sure. Now it's done for this job is done. 115BA says, which section, sir? 115BA says the company should be incorporated. If a company is incorporated on or after 1/3/2016, first condition. 115BAB లో కండిషన్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ 1/10/2019. దీంట్లో కండిషన్ ఏంటి? 1st March 2016. Number 2, it should be into manufacturing business. The company should be into manufacturing business. Number 3, you have to forego the benefits. Which sections you have to forego? 10AA, 32AD, 33AB, 33ABA, same what you already covered. That scientific research sections and all these sections you have to forego. All the sections you have to forego. If all these three conditions are satisfied, then the tax rate will be 25%. Before cess, this is. So if you add cess, it will be effective 26%. It is 25% before cess. If you add cess, it is 26%. One more thing. When should I tell the government that I want to avail? Whenever you want to avail this section, file the return of income and inform them that I want to avail this section. If you avail this section, forever this section only will apply. So 3 sections we have: BA, BAA, BAB. Please read the notes of 115BA now. You will find in your summary chart, last page I guess. If I remember, you will find in the summary chart in the last page. It is thoda confusing, it's very confusing, but I can't help it. That's how the income tax is framed. That's how income tax is framed. You have so many tax rates for a company, but I'll make the chart, I'll make the concept easy by a differences chart. Don't worry. हो गया तो बोलो, I'll start the differences chart. Okay, check karo, this is given in the summary chart somewhere. 115BA is given somewhere in the summary chart. Okay, sure. Now in your notebook please, in your notebook now please, heading differences and similarities between, differences and similarities between, differences and similarities between 115BA, 115BAA and 115BAB. Differences and similarities between 115BA, 115BAA, 115BAB. I expect everyone to write with me only please. So make sure you have a pen and book in front of you, your class notebook, because this chart is not given. This I am analyzing and giving you guys. ठीक है, चलो. ठीक. Content. Date of incorporation. Date of incorporation. On or after 1/3/2016. Do you agree with the first one? ठीक है. Irrelevant. What is irrelevant? Date of incorporation does not matter for that section. And for the last one, I'll kill you if you give me wrong answer. On or after 1/10/2019. Draw one line. Draw one line. ठीक है. टैक्स रेट. टैक्स रेट 25% before cess, bracket में लिखो before cess. And what is 115 BAA tax rate? 25.168%. This is called effective rate. And 17.16%. This is also effective rate. This is also effective rate. ठीक है. ओके. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लो ఉండాలా 115 BA. Does it say it should be into manufacturing? Yes, it should be into manufacturing. BAB also says it should be in manufacturing other than those 6 products. समझ में आ रहा? Other than those 6 products, and here it is irrelevant. Where, sir? 115 BA lo adi irrelevant. So this is your third difference or similarities. ठीक है. चल नेक्स्ट वन. Will MAT apply in the 2 new sections, that is BA and BAB? You can see the features. Features में 1 point will be company need not pay MAT. So here you write no and here you write no. But we did not write the same point under 115 BA. So you write yes, MAT will apply. Yes, MAT will apply. Will MAT apply? Yes. In other 2 it is no. Sir, I am trying my level best to make the subject very easy with the notes given. I can assure you, a principal also will not know so many details on the tax rate. He will definitely consult you for this season if you are going for office. Okay, so how many points are done? 4. Next, use of old plant and machinery. ఉంది కదా? యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ ప్లాంట్. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏ సెక్షన్లో ఉంది సార్? దట్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ అప్ టు 20% BABలో ఉంది. సో యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ ఇర్రెలవెంట్, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇర్రెలవెంట్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ అప్ టు 20%. I hope I am clear. Use of plant and machinery irrelevant up to 20%. Procedure to be followed. Next one. Inform government on or before the due date of filing return of income to avail the section. To avail the section and ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ రిటర్న్లో ఇన్ఫామ్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ రిటర్న్లో 115BAలో ఫస్ట్ రిటర్న్లో ఇన్ఫామ్ చేయాలి. సేమ్ పాయింట్ BABలో కాపీ చేయండి. సేమ్ పాయింట్ B, డోంట్ రైట్ arrow marks and all, please copy. ठीक है, ఇక్కడ copy this as it is, don't copy first return in the bracket. That's it. ओके ठीक है, अगेन आई रिपीट. ठीक है, is it done? Now out of these three sections, which is the old section? 115BA is the old section and BAA BAB is a new section. So now listen, what does government clarified? BA, we are continuing the this only, and BAB. Bracket में लिख लो, this is an old section, this is a new section, this is also new section. Shifting from 115BA, shifting from 115BA hyphen yes or and no. What does it mean? Listen now, it means after availing after availing 115BA, company can opt for 115BAA, assuming before introducing these sections I was coming under this section. After introducing section I want to shift from this section to this section. Government says adi cheyachu, adi problem ledu. Here no means after availing 115BA, company cannot opt for 115BAB. Companies cannot opt for 115BAB. Logic is very simple. 115BA applies for old companies, whereas 115BAB applies for new companies. So absolutely no confusion from that angle point of view. ठीक है, fine. What happens to unutilized brought forward MAT credit. If the company has brought forward MAT credit, what happens? Can be set off in the first case. Second case lo lapse అయిపోతుంది. Third case lo also lapse అయిపోతుంది. We already covered this MAT credit concept also. ठीक. ठीक है. How many points are done? 8 points are done. So I want the students to copy these 8 and send in the group. Please copy and send the 8 points you have in the similarities and differences. Okay sir? Okay sir? Now please understand this. Now please understand this. Now, so how many sections we have, sir? Now please understand, company are of two types. One is called Indian company or domestic company, one is called foreign company. Indian company, domestic company law, we have few sections. If you avail 115 BA, what is the tax rate, sir? 25 before cess. If you avail 115 BAA, 25.168%. If you avail 115 BAB, you cannot avail all three. That's not possible. You cannot eat all the 3 chocolates at one time. One chocolate only will be given to you. Sir, for me all 3 sections do not apply. Bole to E ever ki applicable? Manufacturing. Idi ever ki applicable? I am not into manufacturing. So BA will not apply, BAB also not apply. BA. But BA says sections forego cheyali. A sections forego cheyali. 10 AA, additional, 32 AD, 35 and all. I don't want to forego. Because the optional sections kada sir, I don't want to forego. Then government says, if you do not fall under BA and BAB and you also don't want to pay under BAA, do one thing, you pay directly at 25%. You pay directly at 25%. If you do not want to avail all the 3, all that nonsense, if you don't want, pay at 25%, provided we check your turnover. We check your should be less than or equal to 250 crores. I am a company. I don't want to claim all the 3. Then what is my rate? My rate is 25%. Turnover enta undali? 250. Less than 250. But this is changed to 400 crores. This is changed to 400 crores. Now rule number 1. One more point. Sir, నేను year 3లో ఉన్నా. Year 3. You are telling me to check the turnover. ఏ సంవత్సరం turnover చెక్ చేయాలి? కరెంట్ ఇయరా, లాస్ట్ ఇయరా? అంటే ఇయర్ 3 or year 2? గవర్నమెంట్ సేస్ year 1 turnover చెక్ చేయాలి. So if you are in year 3, you should check the turnover of year 1. Also not last year, second last year. If you are in year 10, I will check the turnover of year 8. If you are in financial year 1920, I will check the turnover of 1718. If that 17 turnover is less than 400, it is 25%. Sir, but turnover datin sir a samvatsaram, then it is 30%. Then it is 30%. इससे easy, I also don't know this section. I'm sorry, you are at wrong place, because if you see the RTP of May 2020 attempt, you can download. First 25 pages cover these sections only in an absolutely complicated manner. If you want, I will share the RTP in the group as well. First 20 pages speaks about this. So if you don't want to avail these three sections, government says pay tax at 25, but we have to check the turnover. A samvatsam turnover, second last year turnover has to be checked. 25. So that in the 400 crores, that in, sir, then it is 30%. Sir, ఈ మొత్తం స్టోరీ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఇండియన్ కంపెనీ. ఫారిన్ కంపెనీకి సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది సార్, 40. నో కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ దాంట్లో, నో కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ ఇన్ దాట్, absolutely no confusions in that. So do one thing, read the last page properly once now. That is given summary chart. Summary, the heading is summary on tax rates of companies. The heading is summary on tax rates of companies. Please read once. Again I am repeating, if you are taking printout, well and good, but if you ask my personal opinion, it will be more and more clear if you write the notes in your notebook. Else the choice is as per the student's convenience, but if you ask my personal opinion, if you write, it will be much better. The choice is yours. Am I clear with this? This completes tax rates for companies, but if you want, I can give you a more exhaustive chart on this, and later on today I'll also cover surcharge rates. Amendment has happened in surcharge rates, highly confusing they have made it. We'll cover the surcharge rates as well today. Even though it is covered in morning batch, in somewhere in capital gains I gave a surcharge rate for you, even then it will be covered now. I'll explain now, and I'll explain you how to interpret the surcharge rates. Okay, now if you understand the properly, chup chap sunte jao, don't copy, I'll give you time if you want. This chart you will not find anywhere, so chup chap suno. Tax rate for companies, tax rate for company, ठीक है. Nature of income, section, and the tax rate, and the tax rate. What if the company is earning casual income? The tax rate is 30%. If you can check 115 BB, when I covered taxation of non-resident chapter, I covered 115 BBA. BBA was for non-resident sportsmen, entertainer and sports association. This is 115 BB for casual income. Next, I covered royalty income from patents. I doubt you remember the section number. Royalty income from patents, 115 BBF. You can check your notes, you will have 10%. Next, it is one transfer of carbon credits. This was covered in PGBP. If you have gone through the videos, this section was 115 BBG. This is also 10%. I'll tell you when to copy, just keep on listening. Long term capital gain, 112, 20%. Long term capital gain, 112A. This is for 3 assets: listed equity shares, units of equity oriented mutual fund, and units of business trust. I repeat, listed equity shares, units of equity oriented mutual fund, units of business trust. This is already covered for morning batch. This is 10%. Next, short term capital gain. Again those three assets rayali. Section number is 15%. Clear? Huh. Dividend received from foreign company where Indian company holds greater than or equal to 26% of equity share capital. I want you to go to dividend chart for this right now, under the chapter called taxation of dividend. Under that, in the first chart you will find this somewhere. Please check right now. I will pause for 1 minute. Under taxation of dividend chapter, you will find this scenario somewhere. Under taxation of dividend, under that actual dividend, first chart of taxation of dividend, you will find this somewhere, because I want you to catch the section number there. Please, I am requesting everyone, when you are watching the video, you should have all the notebook in front of you. No second thought about it. You should have all the modules, all the video, all the notes in front of you, for which the topics is already covered. If anyone got, I don't know, it's 115 BBD. It is 15%. 115 BBD, it is 15%. Okay. And exit tax, today we'll be covering. Exit tax छोड़ दो, ये छोड़ दो, ये छोड़ दो, that's not relevant. Okay. Then comes incomes covered, incomes stipulated under section 68 to 69. Income stipulated under section 68 to 69, that is covered under 115 BBE, 78%. So these are called special rate incomes. Then what all we covered from last 1 hour, sir? That is other than these incomes tax rates for a company. If a company is earning house property income, it's not covered in this chart, we'll go there. Other sources will go there. PGBP will go there. Capital gains will come here, 20%. Short term, long term. Short term 111 cover undi ikkada. Normal short term capital gain unte malli adi R rates applicable 17.16 and 25 point something. Ee short term 111 cover undi ikkada. Other than 111 any short term capital gain unte R rates applicable. This is summary on tax rate for companies. So please copy this now. Properly copy karo, and I want this also to be sent in the group. Because I will be sending it to my previous batch students, sir. So please send this and the summary chart of the differences as well. Please copy this. Shall we scroll now? You will definitely find the section number in taxation of dividend chart, and these three assets, again I repeat, listed equity shares, units of equity oriented mutual fund, and units of business trust. ठीक है, डन। ठीक है, अच्छा। So fine. So due to some issues, sir, I'm completing the current video right now, and in the next video you will find concept of surcharge. Okay.